Let's pray to the GoPro lords that my GoPro doesn't die.
Back in my bag and I gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in the pair of hills.
It's so hard to get back there, let go of the throttle and be on the brake so lightly.
Yeah, she be riding on that thing like a Ferris wheel. Yeah, I love them dark skin, brown skin, caramel. You know I had to bring it to the hood like she Karen Civil when she keep on turning head. Cause when she whoop that thing, jiggle, jiggle. We going back to back on them like we Huey and we Raleigh.
Epic stoppy.
You are watching a master at work.
I'm gonna have that in my head while I do this. What do you think about my wheelies out of 10?
8.
8.
Maybe 7.
7? I'll take 8.
No, but 8 you'll be lying.
What do you think about me standing on the seat and doing a wheelie and jumping around?
7.
Huh?
7.
No, that'd be 10 out of 10. Right, pictures. Yeah, look good? Oh, what a stupid question. Especially in the Brap Life clothing, guys. www.braplife.co.uk. Oh, what? How does it feel? Light?
Yes.
Yeah?
Why are you holding?
Huh?
Why are you holding?
Because, just in case.
No, but I already got into your bike without you holding. Just for you know.
It's smaller, so you might be able to touch the floor. If I let go, are you hot?
No, don't do that.
You've got it though?
Yes.
What? You could ride.
But it's small.
You could ride. That's a sick shot. Hold on, keep it like that. I'm gonna get a photo.
Can you hold for a second?
Huh?
My
What?
leg is there dying.
Which leg? Your left leg. Do you maybe scoot over a little bit? Yeah. Just so you're, yeah, like that. Pull in the clutch and kick it into first gear. Pull in the clutch all the way in. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. And then you would get on the bike. I'm not gonna hold it. So throw your leg over it and hold in the clutch. You gotta hold in the clutch while you do it, because you gotta imagine the bike's on right now. That's it. Don't sit. Yeah, you gotta sit like that. Because then what you would do is you'd start releasing the clutch and give it a little bit of throttle, but you wouldn't snap it like this. You'd roll on gradually and release clutch, and then the bike would start rolling, and as you pick up speed you could go bing and jump both legs onto the pegs and you could ride, and then when you stop you'd have to stop like this. We could do that. Yo, it's been a hot one today. A little bit of bike work before we come out. Oil change on the 250. My bolts on my front disc were loose. So just as a reminder, guys, if you're on a dirt bike, you probably already know this, or if you're planning on buying a dirt bike and you've never owned one before, you want to do a Supermoto build or anything, always check the bolts. I do a brief check before every ride. I just check the bolts. Otherwise, I have no peace of mind. And that's a good reason to why I checked. I checked and the whole disc was loose. Oh my god, this weather is crazy. It's a shame. I wanted to shoot my motivational return video today, but the sun's gone. I wanted to do a sunset session. Anyway, to the topic of the video. Why I bought the CRF450. Reasons why I got the 450, the CRF450, is it's cheap, and I'll get to the main reason. main reason is because I wanted the full Supermoto experience. And obviously my 701 broke and I wanted to keep making content. It's not often that you see a CRF450 Supermoto build. Saying that, you don't see many Japanese bikes, you don't see many MX Supermoto builds, and that's what I wanted. It's exactly what I wanted the CRF. I just thought it'd be different. It was so cost effective as well, and I'm pretty sure maintenance intervals are, hold on, let me try and knee knock. I need to time it, so I drop back on the knee knock and slow the speed down, and then come down below balance point, get into seat, sit down, and back up to balance point pretty much. It's hard to talk about a topic while you do a lot of wheelies. Woo! Put my goggles up so he hasn't got to blur my face when he gets over it. But yeah, you just don't see many Japanese Supermoto builds. It'll be amazing to see the YZ in Supermoto trim, but he'll probably be on that 250 till he gets a 450 and go from there. How are they feeling? Doing a video right now, why I bought the CRF450, why I chose this. I might call it over, like, instead of the EXC 450. It's like a go-to Supermoto build. It's ideal as well. 6 gears, enduro bike, MX bike's not like the most ideal. But purely for stunting though, it is good. Light, reliable, can take a beating apparently. I've already dropped it. So yeah, a lot of people say, why don't you get the EXC 450? It's just because you see them everywhere. And a lot of the people, like, Supermoto's huge in Europe, and in a lot of the places, they can't make any bike road legal. It has to come road legal from factory. Whereas we can make these bikes road legal. So it was like a content approach and a feel different approach, and it's an MX. It just, I don't know, felt like I was doing something a little bit different. And this is perfect for learning the Supermoto lifestyle because of the service intervals you have to do. I've learned more on this bike in the 4 months of owning it. I don't know if I've said this in another video, probably have, compared to the 3 years I've been riding. Way more, way more. Like, I can't even tell you how much more. It was way more. I pretty much knew nothing. The only thing I could do is an oil change. My fault for not learning, but on this you're forced to learn. So, and that's exactly what I've got it for. Right, up. That scared me. Nah, I've got to get further back. That's actually pretty scary. Most likely, if you want to know the answer of that question, you click this video. There's also a good chance that you are thinking of doing the same thing I'm doing. You want to get involved with Supermoto, maybe not know where to start. Don't overthink it. Check my video out where I compare the 450 to the 701. Click the link in the top right. That will definitely answer a few of your questions. Save me going over it again in 2 videos for my loyal to the soil subscribers, checking on every video so they don't get bored. Shout outs to you guys. www.braplife.co.uk. If you want to support me, you want to join the community we're building. It's Brap Life. Brap Life's the best life. If you agree, go cop yourself anything from the website.
I'm telling you right now, I'm never having kids.
What?
Fuck that. They're so annoying.
They're a bunch of ADHD kids.
Not even that, they just run around. Like one of them, I was getting something out the freezer, just comes at me, middle of nowhere, water gun, straight to the face.
What?
Fuck off.
What a G.
I slapped him.
You give him the backhand?
Huh?
You give him the backhand?
In my head.
Huh?
In my head. You know,
I thought you said with my head. Headbutt him, boom. So my knee knocks right now, I'm really trying to practice them from now. I'm so happy I can do them, and I just think they look so sick, and I want them as comfy as my sit down, so really trying to sesh them. Nah, that's tough, that is. Landscape, landscape. And the final point I want to add is my whole approach to it was, if I can't handle and look after a 2013 CRF 450, then how am I going to handle a brand spanking KTM EXC 450? So this is to learn on and to build up to, if it gets to a point where I want the EXC 450 in the future, which I've got my eyes on it, but we'll see where I go. I might love the Honda too much and then end up with a 2023 Honda, who knows. But anyway, appreciate you watching. Smash that like button, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. See you next video.